Okay, so I'm here in this park, which I've walked around and photographed for a little bit. Summer tanager was there, vireo, a couple other birds. But I'm heading into the boardwalk here to walk along, see if we can find a longhorned owl nest. So I'll check back with you soon. Okay, so just taking a little break, but so far this morning's been pretty successful. Got the long-eared owls in the nest, got some video of that. Got some video of summer tanager, some video of a vermilion, and a couple other birds. So I'm gonna start heading back, I think, but overall, I'm pretty happy with what I was able to accomplish. The owls, they were in a area that was really hard to get to, and so we'll see what we see on the way back. But I had, they were surrounded by a lot of branches and foliage, so hopefully that doesn't look too bad in the finished video, which you of course have already looking at. So other than that, I think it was well worth the little hike out here and the walk altogether. Got to see what I wanted to see, and I'm happy. Okay, so today I'm heading out to a location that has some long-eared owls, and we found a nest last week there. So I'm hoping they're a little bit bigger now, and gonna get some shots of the babies out on the nest and maybe moving around the trees some. So hopefully it will be successful, because the location of this is about an hour and a half away. So it's a good little drive yet, but on my way. We'll see how well this all works out. Okay, so I've come back a week later, and so I found the nest again, and I'm talking a little low because there is an owl up there. We only see one owl there this week, so I'm not sure, but he's already up near the top of the tree, so well out of the nest. So there was some flight there to get to the top of that branch, that's for sure. So show you the pictures. They've grown quite a bit in 1 week. It's amazing how much they've grown from inside that nest now on top there. So I'm sure that they have some flight capabilities, but this is the only one that I can find over there. So I've been here for a little while, but they are really, really difficult to find. Very, very difficult to find. So yeah, we'll see. Hang around here for a little while longer to see what else I can find. Alright, so I came back here a week later to see how the owls are doing up there, and there's basically nothing there right now. I mean, there's one owl, and he's probably 2 to 3, or she is 2 to 3 times further back than they were at the beginning when they were in the nest, so there's no possible shot with that one. So it looks like the fun time with the long-eared owls in the nest, they're gone, and well, we'll just go try shooting something else for the rest of the day. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do like and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon.